the bottom line is factory owners or tech pack creators from 7 in the morning till 5 at night, they're focused on creating tech packs or making clothing, backpacks, apparel. They don't have the mindset or the time or the energy or the resources to start a brand.
Right. That's not their business model.
On the other hand, there's people who are using like helium-10 and analyzing data to see what's selling well on Amazon, and they're very opportunistic. They might see your product and then just buy it, take it to a factory in China, make something very, very similar, put their brand on it, and then start selling it.
Yeah.
In which case you're officially knocked off. The point is, you shouldn't be afraid of the tech packer. You shouldn't be afraid of the factory. You need to be afraid of opportunistic entrepreneurs that will knock you off very quickly after you've already spent a year of doing the design and development for the tech packs, working with the factory to do the pricing, the quotations, the development, then getting through production, quality control, shipping, and getting it to market. But that's just a reality of the business.
That's just products in the fashion industry. It happens.
What I learned from 𝗀𝘃𝗶𝗿𝗶𝗴, who created Spanx, she just decided to focus her energy on always being a leader and coming up with new products, new variations. Like basically she copies herself. She knocks off herself. And is just trying to come up with better and better innovations to stay ahead of whoever decides to try to knock her off. That was her, that's the conclusion that she came to, and that's the advice
that's very
that
smart,
I give to people.